Hey there, new parents! Ready to watch your baby grow into a little person? Let's dive into the exciting milestones from birth to 5 years. Right from birth, your baby is already working hard on their brain development. In the first month, they'll begin to recognize your voice and focus on faces. By 2 months, get ready for those heart-melting smiles. Your baby is learning that you're their favorite person. Around 3 to 4 months, they'll start to follow moving objects with their eyes. Tummy time becomes crucial here, helping them strengthen those neck and shoulder muscles. By 5 months, they'll be reaching and grabbing for toys, developing hand-eye coordination. Now at 6 months, many babies start sitting with support. Their curiosity peaks as they explore everything around them. And oh, the babbling begins. This is their way of practicing speech. By 8 to 9 months, you'll see some impressive skills. Crawling and pulling themselves up to stand are huge milestones. Their brain is now developing the connections needed for motor skills. As their first birthday approaches, expect those first independent steps. Walking usually starts around 12 to 15 months. It's a wobbly, adorable journey. In their second year, language takes off. By 18 months, most toddlers know at least 10 words. They'll start combining words and understanding simple instructions. Their brain is a sponge, soaking up everything. 2 to 3 years is a period of explosive growth. Your little one will run, jump, and climb with confidence. They'll develop more complex sentences and start playing with other kids. At 4 years, creativity blooms. They'll love storytelling and imaginative play. Fine motor skills improve, so those block towers get taller. Social skills are also on the rise. By 5 years, your child is more independent and school-ready. They'll recognize letters, numbers, and begin writing their name. Their emotional and social development is in full swing. Remember, each child is unique and may reach milestones at their own pace. Celebrate every achievement, big or small. Keep nurturing their growth with a loving and supportive environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more parenting tips. See you next time.